Hello, students. In the last recording video, I had just introduced to you all the English chapter 1 from your Beehive textbook of class ninth. Today, we will see the first chapter in detail through a PPT, The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov. Now, as I have told you, that this chapter deals with the schools of the future. I've already shared with you that the present school system, the ancient school system, and the upcoming school system, what are the differences between these? Earlier, there were no computers, maybe there were no benches also to sit for the students. They used to just sit down or under a tree and gain knowledge. Now you have good infrastructure in school, benches, tables, you have smart boards, and upcoming schools, that is the schools of future. In this lesson it has been told as 17th May 2157, as one of the character finds a page headed as 17th May 2157. That is a total drastic change in the system of education, which is there in this chapter, which are going to learn about robotic teachers, that are mechanical teachers. Now you have the physical teacher here coming and sharing and teaching. Everything is done by the physical teacher. But in the upcoming future schools, maybe things will be totally different. There will be learning through computers, there will be virtual classrooms, then e-text. I have shown you all the pictures of e-book, robotic teachers. All these things will be in the upcoming future schools. And if you just read the title of the chapter, The Fun They Had. What is the meaning of the fun they had? Who are they here? They are the ancestors, our grandparents, our forefathers who had gone to school during that time, during their time. So, what fun they had. This is going to be a very interesting lesson which will be taught to you in a form of activity. And there are two main characters in this chapter, that is one is Margie and one is Tommy. So these two are good friends. How they deal with the present situation of education, and why they feel that the previous system was very good, wherein there was a lot of enjoyment done by their forefathers. That's what it has been told as the fun they had. It is in past they had. So what fun they used to have, and why not these children can have fun? Why are these children being uh, you know they are having that desire of having fun, but they are not having this fun with their friends or in the school? How are they learning? What is the system of education? So this we are going to learn in this chapter. So as I told you that there are two kids in this, two children. One is Margie, as you can see on the screen, and she is with her mechanical teacher. Now, who is a mechanical teacher? Mechanical teacher is nothing but a robot, wherein you have n number of buttons. For each a function you need to press the button, and then the functions are been generated. Okay, so she's been operating a mechanical teacher. She's a 11 years old girl, and she has one of her friend called Tommy. You can see here Tommy and Margie. Tommy is 13 years old. So what has happened is Margie was writing, she was writing in that diary. She was having a habit of writing a diary, and on the page she headed as 17th May 2157. And on that page, what did she write? She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." She was not knowing what is the meaning of real book, because in the forthcoming years, books means e-books, that is a tab which we use, the computers. So everything is fed into that. Books means the books which literally contain pages, what we use now. The written concept, what we read it and what we understand, that is a book. And she was not understanding what is the meaning of book. So she just penned down in her diary. What did she write? She said that Tommy found a real book, and it was a very old book. Now I had shown you all few pictures about an old book. You can differentiate between an old book and a new book, children. New book is what the brand new, what you just purchased from the shop, which has fresh pages, white pages, you know, a very good book. But old books are what? Those are having yellowish pages. Here you can see in the picture, the children are sitting and reading an old book. The crinkly old pages, crinkly means what? All sort of, folds and lines on the book, because that book has been utilized, that book has been used several times. And if you have seen, if any books at home also, if your parents have been using, and then your elder brothers and sisters have used, and now you're using the book, and maybe if you have your younger siblings, even they will be using. So after using it from many years, what does that happen? The book turns into, very soft pages, and then the pages turn yellowish and crinkly. So she has written in her diary that Tommy has found a real book, and it was a very old book at the time of her grandfather. I mean, her grandfather used to use that book. And then what happened? They both sat together, they started reading the book. They turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly, and they found that the words were very funny, because they were not used to read such book. They were only used with the machines, that is the mechanical teacher, the robots. They used to learn through that system. They were not learning through books. So that was something awful which they found, reading a book wherein these words are been repeated. When you read a book, you come across various sentences, various words, vocabulary, all these things. So she started finding it was awfully funny to read the words, and that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on the screen. When you have to move from the screen, what do? You just, if it is a touch screen, you just have this moving of the screen or with the buttons. But for the books, you need to literally turn the pages, physically, when you have to go to the next page. So what had happened is, they both sat together to read this book, and Tommy started making her understand, because she was totally unaware what were the books. She was not understanding, and Tommy made her understand that books are something which contains lot of content, where we read it and gain knowledge. But they used to not use books. These books were literally used by their grandfather time. So that time they used to have such kind of books. But now, what is the system is? E-books. That is about the tab and the computer. And what did Tommy tell her? Tommy told her that these people used to go to school to learn, to study, to gain knowledge, to share, to play. But Margie was totally unaware of this concept. She said, "School? What is a school?" And Margie always hated school. She did not like to go to school. Why? What was the reason behind that she hated school? Tommy started making her understand that school was a place which had a building wherein all the children used to come together under one roof. They used to sit, they used to learn, play, share, and go home. Homework was given to them, and the next day the homework was checked. Questions were asked by the teacher, and they did not have any mechanical teacher. They had, yes, they had a physical teacher, that is the person, a human being, like how you people are having, you people come to school and you learn, and your teacher teaches you all, she checks your homework, she gives you all tests, and then she asks you all question. All these things are happening. But Margie's school was not like that. Margie's school was totally different, and she always hated to go to school. She did not like to go to school, and Tommy made her understand that school was a lovely place where their grandfathers used to go together to learn under a under one roof. That is, it was called a school. That is a building. It was called a building. That building is called as school. He made her understand about it. Margie's school was right next to her bedroom. Now, do you understand this concept? Do you have your school at home? No, we don't have our schools at home. That's what I told you, that schools are the buildings. The name is given. Suppose your school's name is Good Shepherd Central School, located in Ganeshpur, a very big building with lot of classrooms, with lot of infrastructure, with teachers, all everything under one roof. You come in the morning, you learn various subjects taught by various teachers. You go on the playground, you have computer classes, drawing classes. Everything has been done on a specific book which is prescribed for y'all. English is different, science is different, maths is different. Every subject is having a different notebook wherein you sit and write. You read the books, you refer to some books in the library. All these things are done into one building, that is a school. But here you can see that Margie's school is in our own home. That is, it is right next to her bedroom. That means she doesn't go anywhere out. Same as Tommy also did not go out to school, because this is something, the forthcoming school, the future school we are talking about, the robotic teachers. She had a mechanical teacher. She had a robotic teacher wherein she used to learn from that. And she did not have any friends. She was all alone learning at home. Saturdays and Sundays she had off for the school, and Monday to Friday she used to learn all alone in her school, that is, which was right next to her bedroom. So here, children, you can imagine, when you are coming to school, what fun you have. You sit with your friends, you sit with your teachers, you share so many things. You go out on the playground, you play different kinds of games, you have lunch together. Then you have some short what you can say, short breaks where you can just have fun, laugh, mingle with other friends. So many things you can do it, when you come to school. But she was missing all that. That's why maybe she was hating her school. We will see why did she hate school, what made her hate school. When you come to school, you build up interest in various subjects which are taught by your teachers. But she was learning all alone, only with the help of that mechanical teacher. So here, children, you can see what is the difference between the ancient school and between the upcoming schools. How the ancient schools were, that is, now also you have few things, that is, these all smart classes are there, smart boards, computers, wherein our forefathers or our grandfathers did not enjoy all this. They had completely different kind of education system. That's what Tommy says, that our grandfathers used to learn through books, and they had a teacher who was a human being. But we don't have any books, nor we have a physical human teacher. We have a robotic teacher, and we have ebooks. That is everything in one system. Whatever you want, you just click a button and it is there in front of you. But the same time, there is no enjoyment. Everything you need to do it all alone. So this is what he makes her understand. So here you can see one person and a mechanical teacher of Margie and Tommy. Who is that mechanical teacher? Here you can see a robot with different kinds of buttons on it, and a display board is there. That is, whatever you want, everything is fed according to your subjects and according to your age. So whichever subject you want to learn, you have to just go on to that particular button, just enter it, and the system will play for you whatever is required, and it is going to teach you. But which is more effective, children? The robotic teacher or the manual teacher? Of course, yes, the manual human being teacher, which is I mean, who are present in the school, who teaches so well, who listens to y'all, who mingles with y'all, who shares so many things. There is a bonding between a student and a teacher. But here, the robotic teacher, the mechanical teacher, doesn't have any emotions, doesn't have any bonding. It's just a machine. You just have to go sit in front of that robotic teacher, press the concerned buttons, get the things done. That's it. Nothing else is there. There is no enjoyment as such. So Margi was not interested in all this type of learning. And you can see that person who's come there. Who is he? He is called as a county inspector. Once Margi's mechanical teacher was giving a fault, I mean, there was a repair to be held for Margi's mechanical teacher. So her mother called the county inspector, who was who came with a toolbox to repair and to see what really was a problem with the mechanical teacher. And he found that the mechanical teacher was giving a problem because it was adjusted to a very high extent. According to Margi's age, it was giving a lot of high quality of education. It was not adjusted according to her age. So what did the county inspector do? He adjusted all the lessons according to what Margi's age is. Now when you come to school, now you are in 9th standard. If we start teaching our 10th standard portion, what is going to happen? You might not understand the concept clearly, because whenever we go class wise, step by step, the previous year's portion is already, we start revising and you tend to learn in a better way. But if you start learning your PUC 1 or PUC 2 subjects or the content in your 9th standard, you will not understand anything, because according to your age, it is something high which you cannot accept it, which your brain doesn't not take it in a positive way. And you start facing problem. You start facing problem in your tests, in your exams, you don't perform well. The same thing was happening to Margi. She was doing very bad in her geography lesson because the system was not adjusted according to her age. It was showing an error. It was too high for her to understand. Because of that, her mother called the county inspector for a repair, and the county inspector adjusted the mechanical teacher according to Margi's age. And then she was able to understand quite better, because her mother was worried why Margi is taking so less marks in her test. Why is she not performing well? Because of which the county inspector was called. And as soon as he came, he saw that Margi is a very brilliant child. She's very clever. Only thing, she was not performing well in her geography lesson, and her tests were also not going well. So because the system had a very high quality of lessons which was not according to Margi's age, and he did it so well that henceforth, Margi would not face any problem while learning her lessons. So, this is the half chapter which I completed today. The remaining half I shall take it in the next class. So, just a preview of the previous thing. What did I do? In this chapter, we are going to learn about mechanical teacher, that is a robotic teacher. There are two characters in this chapter. One is Margi and one is Tommy. They find a real book where they find it that the pages are very old and crinkly, and those types of books were used by their grandparents. They do not use such books because they have this robotic teacher and they have e-books. So everything is fed in one machine. And Margi always hated school because she was doing very poor in a geography lesson, for which the county inspector was called at home, and he repaired it correctly according to Margi's age. So here I stop, children, and remaining part we are going to do in the next video. Till then, thank you.